have been so excited to do this try on haul for you. This is from Yours Clothing. I've got loads to get through, so I've already got the first thing on. And I fear we have started too strong because how am I going to top this? This dress is gorgeous. The colour and the stripe going through it, it's shade across the bust, shade all the way at the back as well. These straps are adjustable. I'm not wearing a bra with it. I feel nice and secure. This is so nice for summer. Wearing this in a size 22/24. If you're in between sizes, I would go for your smaller. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There's something very classy about a lovely like navy and white print, especially like this gorgeous tile print. Gorgeous print for summer. Love the little off-shoulder Bordeaux style. This is stretchy across here, stretchy at the arms as well, so really comfortable. You are snatched in at the waist. Again, I'm wearing no bra with this. I mean, you could absolutely do a strapless bra if you wanted to, but I do feel like I would quite happily wear this without a bra. And this dress also has pockets, which you know we'll love to see a pocket on a dress. This is such an easy throw on, would be lovely for your holidays on a night time or just a lovely dress in the summer. This is gorgeous. Wearing a size 22/24. Again, if you're in between sizes, I would go for your smaller. I don't know why I was worried that we started too strong because honestly, this keeps getting better and better. This outfit is so nice. I love this little neutral moment. This little waistcoat is in like it's like a weighty knit, but like not super heavy. Like it just feels like a really nice quality. Got the gold button detail down the front and it opens just nicely, like still creating that sort of cinch at the waist, giving you a really nice shape. Wearing this in a size 22/24. If you're in between sizes, go for your smaller. The trousers, these lovely textured wide-like trousers, come up nice and high-waisted or elasticated. The drawstring is functional. They've got pockets. Literally so many amazing things about them. Really comfortable. Like, oh my God, I want to go out in this right now. I love these. Trousers are wearing a size 26/28. I would say true to size, I'm usually a 26 bottom. This is such a versatile outfit because this could easily be dressed up. You could dress it more casually, but it also looks quite smart. So like it would be lovely in the office, like on a hot day, like because the top is so nice and flowy, but you've got this lovely draping detail. You've got your little gold embellishment, the trousers as well with the wide leg, really nice and flowy. These are also elasticated, so stretchy and comfortable, and they do also have a pocket. Not just one, two. It's a lovely textured, lightweight fabric as well. And you could wear these as separates, like the top would go with other things. The trousers you could wear with other things. Very versatile. I'm a big fan of this one. Top I wear a 22/24, bottoms 26/28, both true to size, but if you're in between sizes, I would say go for your smaller. Polka dots are not going anywhere, and this is just such an easy dress to wear. Like definitely something that you could wear a bit more dressy, but if you're just looking for a nice little day dress, this is lovely with the little frill on the sleeve, nipped in at the waist, coming down to a nice midi length. It does also have really big, look how much that's swallowing my hands up. These are some bloody deep pockets there. It's a nice lightweight textured fabric. I'm wearing it in a size 22/24. Again, if you're in between sizes, you can go for your smaller. I love the colour of this in this gorgeous raspberry. It's a lovely like cheesecloth fabric as well, so gorgeous for like a really hot summer day, but still got like a bit of coverage if you want something more covering of the legs as well. This is stretchy, comfortable. You've got the button detail going down the front, the lovely tears in the full skirt. I love as well that the straps on this are a bit thicker than just like a stringy strap, because then you can wear like your normal bra with this. And it does also have pockets. There's a lot of pockets in this haul. We're very blessed with the pockets from Yours Clothing. Wearing a 22/24. If you're in between sizes, go for your smaller. This outfit's giving us senorita vibes with the fullness in the skirt, like rah, 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 rah. This has got that lovely scallop detail going through, which I just think is a nice little extra feature. The skirt is elasticated, really nice and comfortable, quite a heavy weight, but nice and flowy at the same time. I've just paired it with this black vest, which has got a lovely little lace detail going around here as well. The skirt I'm wearing is size 26/28, top 22/24. If you're in between sizes, go for your smaller. That has to have been one of my favourite Yours hauls to date, because everything in this has just been sensational. Sexy senorita.